Well drilling. When the well drilling is complete, install the kit. The pump brings the water into the artesian well to use. Hole underground wells in floors, sandy soil, wet rock, and hard rock. Each will have sediment that is carried with the groundwater layer. This is normal when pumping water or wells, valid for 2 to 5 years. Excavation is complete, groundwater wells must be maintained. And water pump cleaning and developing groundwater wells is the answer. And then we check the blockage of the layer impeller in the water, pump off the pump, and check the condition of the water delivery pipe. Inside the pond, including various equipment of the pump set, bags to clean and develop ponds should be done in every 1 to 2 years or more, depending on the amount of continuous use. Of course, you have to pay more, but to know the condition of the well and equipment to solve problems are better prevented than solved, which if it's slow, may not be in time and effect, it can a lot affect the user.